Hello everyone, so ito po yung update natin ngayon sa ating cucumber plantation or pipino, no, garden. So this is it, no. So na siya mga bunga, no, may mga bunga na po. They are na bearing fruits. Our good cucumber plantation, no. So as you see, yes, they are now having fruits. Yes, we have harvested 3/4 kilogram lately as a first harvest, no, unang harvest. So nakakuha tayo ng 3/4, no, kilo. So sa ato ang unang harvest nakakuha kita og 3/4 kilo in our first harvest. So it's a blessing, no, from the Lord of all. That's we have this garden. Yes, 3/4 kilo. That's our garden, our cucumber garden. So we have fruits here, right? So natin mga bunga-bunga, dagan-dagan mga bunga sa atong garden in our pipino cucumber garden. So as you see, we have our cucumber. All right.